Threat complexity. Software vulnerabilities occur as a result of programming mistakes, protocol vulnerabilities, or system misconfigurations. Cybercriminals seek to take advantage of such vulnerabilities and are becoming increasingly sophisticated in their attack methods. An advanced persistent threat APT is a continuous attack that uses elaborate espionage tactics involving multiple actors and/or sophisticated malware to gain access to and analyze a target's network. Attackers operate under the radar and remain undetected for a long period of time, with potentially devastating consequences. APTs typically target governments and high-level organizations and are usually well-orchestrated and well-funded. As the name suggests, algorithm attacks take advantage of algorithms in a piece of legitimate software to generate unintended behaviors. For example, algorithms used to track and report how much energy a computer consumes can be used to select targets or trigger false alerts. They can also disable a computer by forcing it to use up all its RAM or by overworking its central processing unit, CPU.